Hi, everyone, this video will show you how to recover deleted folders on Windows PC in 3 ways. Method 1. Restore from Recycle Bin. Open the Recycle Bin. Select the folder you want to recover. Right-click the folder and select Restore. Exit the Recycle Bin. Go to the previous location of the file. The file has been restored to the original location. Method 2. Use MiniTool Power Data Recovery. Open MiniTool Power Data Recovery. Move the cursor to the select folder and click Browse. Choose the target folder and click Select Folder. Scan results will be shown by path. Check the box in front of the target files. Click Save. Method 3. Restore from previous backup. Tip: the prerequisite for using this method is that you have already turned on the file history feature. To make a backup, you can refer to this link on the screen. Type Control Panel in the search box and press Enter. Make sure to set View by as large icons. Select File History from the list. Click Restore Personal Files from the left pane. Choose the folder that includes the folder you lost. Select the folder you lost and click the Restore icon. Choose the option you like in the pop-up window. Then you can see the recovered folder in the previous folder. Thanks for watching. For more information, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.